All right, so we are going on our merienda walk. We just walked out of our complex, and look, people doesn't want to.
Say hi, Pipa. This is the market, Villa Vista Market.
Whoa, let's go over here. Let's go on this side because it's not so soon. This side. Study. Make sure they can see the market. We'll have the microphone so you can talk to people about it.
Yan, doon ako bumibili ng fruits. Yan. Dito ako bumibili ng ulam. Punta kami ng
Get some milk tea, maybe some merienda.
healthy place. Oh, diba?
Here, baby, I'll carry you.
Take out the grocery.
There you go. Wait for mommy, wait for mommy. Say hi. Okay, now we're on our way to get some milk tea. Yeah. They start coming to the market around what time? 4 or 5 o'clock.
4, 5 o'clock.
Just cross over here. Sometimes we get our chicken over here.
Banana, you see the banana, Pipa? And jicama. That's jicama, banana. This Villa Vista area. We're going to Melty Place.
Just cross over here. Got some beef mommy, some carrots,
Oh,
some
yeah.
yam. What do we have over here? What is that? Calamari?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
You want to try to get some calamari? Just
You have, you have,
one order.
you have small beer?
Yeah, I think so.
Magkano yan, kuya?
20 lang po yung mga nasa baso. Ito 20 po yung
Dalawa, kuya.
Okay, we can eat here.
Dito na lang, kuya.
dito na po. Vlog kayo, no?
Ah. We get some calamares here.
Hindi po natin mga gusto mo.
Hindi pa na to.
Okay, so why don't you show them what you have here?
This is calamares. Calamares, 20 pesos for this.
Which is about 40 cents, something like that. 40 cents US.
Wow!
So we're gonna eat now. People, you wanna try it? You like it? Eating it? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go over here.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
We're here.
35.6 mo.
It's a waterfall.
Alright, you go ahead. The waterfall outside. I think you have juice, right? Juice.
Yes, sir. Fruities. Then we have your also you guys.
Okay.
Never cheese.
Yeah, but ano size po?
Medium lang.
You have nachos too?
Yes, sir. We have
Just order one nachos. Mango? Okay, I'll do mango.
what size, sir?
Just a medium.